Hi, this is the Pixel tab and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should open the Gmail application. Just tap here on the right upper corner and tap to manage accounts on this device. Because we should first log out from Google account on our device, and after that you'll automatically log out from the Gmail account. So just tap to manage accounts on this device. Once again, tap to your Google account and confirm your action by tap to remove account. Confirm your action. Are you sure? Tap to OK. Verify that it's you with your fingerprint unlock or pattern or password. And after that we could see that we just successfully logged out from Google account on our device. That's why let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we just successfully also logged out from Gmail application. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.